So power bank right here, alternator charger, big front runner duffel, which has been a lifeline. Packs here. We've got our food, maps, hydration pack for Andy, and then all my map supplies.
Because we're going to be going this way.
Right.
Now we are oriented northwest. The cram fire, however, this is the big one. And
had tried to go down there to go to Dayville here to rescue the others in the winter with all that fuel. So this was us in the winter. We were one of 4 vehicles that had enough range to get up off the Wolf Mountain area here. The snow got really, really deep and it was late at night. But the smoke is so thick. Just got in a spot of service and the smoke is blowing in so bad from the cram fire and nearby fires that we are going to drive Highway 20 back into Bend, be safe and not breathe this unhealthy air all night in our rooftop tent. We're just outside of Bend here on the Trans-America Trail. Check the air quality. It is unhealthy for anybody to be outside. We're just gonna grab a cheap hotel.